Hey everyone, welcome to this video. I'm really excited to bring you the first in a few nail art tutorials that I have coming for you. Today's is going to be a much requested tutorial for a design that I did on a customer of mine. She brought some pictures in, so I can't claim this design as my own entirely. Unfortunately, I can't remember the name of the person that did them originally, but a lot of people asked me for a tutorial, so I have done this one for you. I've recreated this nail using the exact colours that I did in the set on my customer. So I've used a range of the grey buttercreams from like Elegance. So I have used Ride the Rails, Pool Shark, Goddess Within, and then I always like to put a metallic in this kind of design. So I've used silver metallic, a white or either a really pale colour, so I've used just white, and then a black or either a super dark shade, so I've gone with Black Tie. So the first shade I'm going to use is Ride the Rails, and this is what I'm going to use to create the base colour for the design. So you would do this on your finished nail, so once you've buffed it, got a nice smooth finish. I tend to, when I'm using buttercreams, I will leave a slightly rougher surface because they are super pigmented. I just find it helps having that rougher surface to help the buttercream to adhere and last for 3-4 weeks until the customer comes back for their infills. So for me, I will finish it at 180 and I won't buff it any smoother than that. Once you're happy with the coverage, then you can set this layer before we go on to the next step. So once that colour is cured, I will go over with a thin layer of One Step. This is kind of your wet layer for the colours to go onto to allow them to marbleise together. So just applying a thin coat of this over Ride the Rails, and the most important thing is don't cure this layer. We need to keep this wet for the marble colours to go onto. So now we can start our marble design, and I am taking a striping brush and just kind of alternating between the colours to create my marble design. So to begin with, I'm just going to lay down the colours kind of next to each other, just kind of creating a bit of a wobbly, wiggly line through the nail. So nothing super technical, and it doesn't even matter if you're really precise. So if some of the paint goes a bit thicker in parts or thinner in parts, to be honest, I find that's better. And the beauty in a marble design, I think, is the imperfectness of it. So if you're trying to make it too perfect, it never quite looks right. So just kind of don't overthink it, just kind of get the paints on there, and then you can concentrate on more of the design and balancing everything out once you've got a bit more coverage there from the different colours that you're going to swirl together. Once you've got good coverage from the different colours that you want to marble with, I like to make sure there's kind of an evenness, so one colour isn't overpowering the rest. It also helps to create that really nice marbleised effect. So once all of that on, I'll just take the brush, I'm not adding any product now, and I'm just running the end of the brush through the paints, and this just helps to marbleise everything together. And I can just add tiny sort of lines, as you will, though they're not straight lines, they're all kind of wobbly, irregular lines. And then if I feel I need a touch more of a colour, then I'll just add that, but literally the smallest amount. You're just going to be perfecting your design with the tip of the brush and the colours that you already have on the nail. The main thing is you don't want to be adding too much product because this is buttercreams, they are highly pigmented. If you add too much, you can have problems with curing. So at this stage, you really want to just be running the bristles of the brush through the colours that you already have on the nail. Once you're happy with your marble design, you're going to cure that and then of course finish with super shiny top coat. I love this top coat, it's so durable and it just gives me the best shine for my clients. They come back and the shine is still near on perfect unless they've had an accident, which is normally self-inflicted. But apart from that, they normally come back with perfect shine, so I absolutely love it. And it gives a really strong finish over any nail art and stuff as well. So I'm just applying that, and you can see this top coat is quite thick and it's quite self-leveling, so you can even out any uneven surface as well. So another reason I love the top coat, because it kind of, if there is anything that isn't perfect, the top coat just smooths all of that out. And cure that for 60 seconds. And that's the finished design. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if there's anything in particular you want to see from me in the future. Like I say, I have got some others in the works that I just need to edit and get up for you, so they will be coming over the coming weeks and months, so I look forward to sharing those with you soon. So subscribe if you want to see more of these in the future. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next one. Cheers guys, bye!